All right guys, it's finally time for our next vehicle giveaway, and this one is big. We are giving away our fully built 2023 Toyota Tundra plus 10,000 cash to one lucky winner. This thing has just under 30,000 miles and just over $30,000 in mods. From the suspension, the wheel and tire package, the lighting, and so much more. This thing has been a huge part of Yota Xpedition, and now it's time for it to serve one of you guys. And we didn't just want to give away a truck, we wanted to create an experience around it. So if you win, we're flying you and one guest out to our shop in Pennsylvania to come hang out with the Yota Xpedition crew. 3 days and 2 nights. Hotel stay is covered, food is covered, and a good time is absolutely covered. After receiving your new Tundra, we're hitting the trails for a full day of off-roading using the Yota Xpedition rigs. You'll get to ride along and just spend the day wheeling and hanging out with the crew. When it comes to entering, it's pretty simple. Every $1 you spend on the website gets you 1 entry. Whether you want to grab some parts for your current rig, or you just want to grab some merch like the t-shirt I have on. Those entries could stack up fast. And of course, no purchase necessary to enter. We seriously can't wait to hand over the keys to this Tundra and $10,000 to one of you guys. It's going to be an awesome weekend, an unforgettable experience, and the perfect way to kick off your next adventure. So get those entries in, because the next time you see this Tundra, it could be sitting in your driveway.